Yo, what's good? This is David and welcome to Sneakers Yo, and today we're gonna do another unboxing, but this time it's from Zalora. So let's go! So the sneakers I ordered from Zalora is the Nike Cortez Basic in black. So the whole upper of the sneakers is in black with the Nike swoosh or the Nike logo in white. And to answer the question if Zalora really sells authentic or legit sneakers, I saw a vlog from Carlo Ople, who's also a famous YouTuber. I think he has around 600,000 subscribers already. I'll put down the link of that video in the description box. So what he said on the vlog is that yes, Zalora really sells authentic or legit sneakers. So I trusted him, and I think he's one of the most reputable source of information with regards to sneakers, especially here in the Philippines. So I ordered a couple of more sneakers from Zalora, and this is one of them. And we're gonna open this and we're gonna unbox this, and after that I'm gonna show you the on-fit look. So stay tuned. So before we open this, let's just take a look at the package. So there's my name, David Joshua Montalban. This is the price. So it's 2,725 pesos. I think the original price of this one is around 4,200, so I saved around 1,500. So this is the COD, means cash on delivery. So that's the mode of payment. So let's open this now. So that is the box. Let's just take a look at the box. Cortez Basic leather, 9.5, my size. Thank you for watching the unboxing, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sneakers Yo. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up or share it with your friends and families. And if you have questions, suggestions, comments about Nike Cortez or anything about sneakers, please leave a comment. I'll answer that for sure. So thank you, and now this is the on-fit look.